Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and a safe workspace. You remove the battery and any flash cart first to avoid power. Next, use a tri-wing to undo the outer screws and a Phillips for internal screws. Keep each screw organized so reassembly is simple. Once the shell begins to separate, use a thin spudger to gently pry clips without forcing them. Make sure to note ribbon cable locations so you can access the top and bottom halves without damaging connectors. Now you focus on component transfer. First, lift the tiny latch clips and slide ribbon cables out. This prevents tearing contacts. Do one cable at a time. Next, remove face buttons, D-pads, speakers, and hinges and place them into the replacement shell, matching orientation and foam pads. Once components are seated, loosely install screws to hold alignment, test hinge movement, then tighten incrementally. Make sure the screens and lens sit flush so buttons won't bind. If something resists, stop and reassess alignment. With parts in place, reconnect each ribbon cable and lock the latches. Double-check contacts are straight and fully inserted. Then loosely rejoin halves and reinstall a few screws so you can power on and test functionality before fully sealing. Make sure touchscreen, buttons, speakers, and hinge behave correctly. If everything works, torque remaining screws evenly. If something fails, power off immediately and inspect connectors for misalignment, bent pins, or over-tightened screws. These are common issues and typically fixable without starting over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.